Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube kids. Today we will study about health is wealth. So let's start. Health is the most important part of our life. Good health is our real wealth. Wealth without health is meaningless. A healthy body and mind are keys to happy. Taking care of one's health is essential. Regular exercise and balanced diet ensure well being. Healthy habits lead to a longer and happier life. Investing in health is investing in happiness. Money can buy everything, but not good health. We should take good care of our health. आई होप सो आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और प्यारा सा कमेंट्स करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.